welcome to Modern Mining. Today we have Meton Joe, the CMO of LIBO Group. Meton, welcome. Thank you so much for chatting to us.
Thank you for inviting us.
So can you give us a little bit of insight into the LIBO Group and its relationship with Huawei?
Yeah, it's happy to talking here to talk about our partnership. We are a strategic partner with Huawei. We are the long distance belt conveyor solution supplier, and Huawei can supply the power, especially for the African mining or for the mine, which need long distance transportation. So we will work together. We can supply the long distance transportation by using the belt conveyor, which is a picture here. If it's more clear, and the transportation need power, right? So we work together. It will be more like clean energy. And so our transportation can help the transportation a high capacity per year. We also have the intelligent inspection, which help we totally operate in the mine transportation. They only need to focus on the mine, and they focus on the overseas transportation, like the sea transport. We will bring all our solution, the totally solution, because everyone knows for the mine, transportation is the biggest question, biggest problem. Yeah, this is why we work like strategy partner together to solve the problems.
So how can long distance transport be managed cost effective?
We always think about to transport a mine from the mine site to the port using truck or railway. But sometimes there are rainy season. We all know in Africa it's a big problem. And for the railway, it's a good solution. But we need 2 or 3 years to build this road, right, for the railway. And this is why we use the belt conveyor. We can build the conveyor system for transportation in 1 year. We can transport as high as the capacity, like 30 million tons per year. So we see the energy. We see the time. Time is the money for our resource. This is why it's cost effectively.
Okay. So having said that, how can we shorten the investment payback period?
This also good question. Like investment payback period is important for the mine. Like people need cash flow because we provide the BOT operation. Like we can invest and you pay back per ton. So you can like save your money. You do not invest the fixed assets, but you pay for the operation. Like you do not need to invest. We build the transportation. We just mining, and then you can let your mines transport through our system, and you pay per ton per year. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So how does LIBO serve the mining companies, and what is the future of re-mining?
Green mining. Everyone is interested in this topic. If we wanted to green mining, we need to be environmental friendly. Yes. And why the belt conveyor can help you? Not only because we use the power supply like solar, clean energy, also it's dust free. Like when you use the belt conveyor, no more like this waste. We just like we can we can cover the belt so no dust will come out. The sky will be blue.
So it's environmentally friendly.
Of course, environmentally friendly.
Yes. Okay. Anything else you want to tell us about LIBO and mine?
Yeah. So now we have a new technique. We have a new technology. Like we are working on belt conveyor more than 100 kilometers.
Oh,
yeah, which means we can help more mine inlet to the ports directly. And the main point is that using belt conveyor, the angle of the conveyor can be more than 30 degrees. So it can suit for more geology situation. Like we can cross mountain. We do not need to go around. We can go directly. So we see the distance directly to the port. And if we build this system, or mine near the system can go directly from this belt conveyor. So they will save their investments. So more green mining will happen.
okay.
Yeah.
So just on the side, are you active in Africa? Can you share a project or two or a mining project that you're involved in?
Yeah, of course. We working for lots of projects in Africa, such as we working for completely, we operating for them. And we also operating for some projects in Indonesia's government, like power supply they to the ports and also to the like Vietnam, Peru. Yeah, has lots of countries. And we wanted to try to find more new chests in Africa like this. The mine, most of the good mine we hear by yeah, this is why we're coming to Africa and we wanted to empower the mind here.
Thank you so much. That was so insightful and such a nice introduction into the LIBO group. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.